If CapCut on your PC is crashing, freezing, or lagging, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get it running smoothly again. Whether CapCut is opening slowly, lagging during playback, or crashing while editing, these steps are a great place to start. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, check whether the issue is on CapCut's side by visiting the official CapCut website at capcut.com. Sometimes apps can experience temporary service issues, updates, or server-related problems that affect performance. If CapCut's service is having problems, you may not be able to fix everything on your own until the platform is back to normal. So this is always a smart first step before changing anything on your computer. Next, make sure your PC actually meets CapCut's minimum system requirements. If your computer is below the recommended specs, CapCut may still open, but you're more likely to see lag, slow exports, or random crashes. Check your processor, RAM, storage space, and graphics performance. If your system is struggling with other editing apps too, that could be a sign that your hardware is the main issue. Now let's free up some resources. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, things like web browsers with too many tabs, game launchers, chat apps, cloud syncing tools, and other heavy software can eat up memory and processing power. The fewer background apps running, the more resources CapCut can use. This alone can make a big difference, especially on mid-range or older PCs. After that, update CapCut to the latest version. Outdated versions often contain bugs, performance problems, and compatibility issues that can lead to crashing or lag. Open CapCut, check for updates, and install the newest version available. If you downloaded it from the Microsoft Store or CapCut's official site, make sure the app is fully updated before testing again. If CapCut is still acting up, the next step is to clear the cache. Open CapCut, go to Settings, then find Cache Size and clear it. Over time, cache files can build up and cause the app to slow down or behave unpredictably. Clearing the cache gives CapCut a fresh start and can often fix stuttering, loading issues, and random crashes. Just be aware that the app may need to reload some temporary files afterward, so the first launch might take a little longer. After doing these steps, restart CapCut and test your project again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If not, try combining them together, because performance issues are often caused by more than one thing at once. For example, an outdated version plus a full cache plus too many background apps can make CapCut feel much worse than it should. So to recap, check CapCut service status, confirm your PC meets the minimum requirements, close unnecessary background programs, update CapCut, and clear the cache in settings. These are the most practical first steps for fixing crashing and lag in CapCut PC. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know to make more quick CapCut tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.